Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this time I am doing a nighttime routine. I grab a silk or satin scarf and I also grab my bonnet. Then I just wrap that scarf directly around my head, creating kind of a pineapple, basically just pushing the hair up. This is probably my favorite way to do my hair at night because it's the easiest way to do it. I literally just wrap that scarf around my hair. I tuck the ends of the scarf in and then my hair is just in a ponytail or a bun. And then I just throw the bonnet on right over top of it and it's super easy to do. That's why it's my favorite. And obviously in the morning I just take off the scarf and take off the bonnet and then just pick my hair back out. The second way I do my hair at night is grabbing some scrunchies, and then basically I part my hair into sections, and then I'm gonna wrap the scrunchie around the hair or around that specific section, if that makes sense. I'm kind of gonna show you it in the video. I like doing this style because it keeps my hair stretched and it keeps my hair from kind of locking together and matting up together at night. I typically do this when I've been wearing out my fro for like 3 to 4 days and it needs a little bit more care. So basically the same thing that I did to these two sections, I would do it to the entire head of hair, which I'm not showing you in this video, but that is my second favorite way to do my hair at night. And obviously in the morning, I just take out the scrunchies and fluff my hair and pick it back out. So this is the third way that I do my hair at night sometimes, and it is basically just doing a simple braid out. So I put my hair in sections, and my hair is really well trained, so it knows the sections to go into already. I don't need to use a comb or anything. I just use my fingers, part it into sections, separate the hair, and start doing some basic braids going all the way down. I usually do a braid out when my hair needs a lot of care. I'll add in a leave-in conditioner, water, and an oil in my hair when I'm doing a braid out. So once I finish the braids, then I grab my bonnet and I put the bonnet on. Look at that one piece of braid just sticking up. Oh my gosh, I must really love y'all to show y'all this. But yeah, I just put the bonnet on, and then in the morning I unbraid the hair. Then I fluff my hair out and I would just wear my afro out. After doing all these styles at night, I typically just undo them in the morning and then I pick my hair out using my pick or my fingers, and I'll just wear my afro out because that's my favorite hairstyle to wear. This is just an inserted video of what that would look like, but thanks for watching.